What's up guys, it's John here from the Bulldogs team, and today we're going to be going over dribbling. Alright guys, before we dribble, it's very important to stretch. So what I'm going to do is take my right arm over, my left arm up, and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake them out quick, same thing with the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, when you're dribbling, it's important to note that you're dribbling with your fingertips on the ball. Not your palm, not down here, your fingertips. So can everyone move their fingertips? Alright, great. Alright guys, so you're just gonna take your ball and just use your fingertips to hit down on the ball and just bounce. It's okay if yours doesn't look like this right away, but all you want to do is just slowly bounce the ball like this. Alright guys, now we're gonna try to get 5 dribbles in a row, okay? So you're gonna get ready. Fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So try to get 5. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, same thing guys, but instead of 5, we're gonna do 10 now. Okay, so let's get ready. Same thing, fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, and if that was easy for you, congrats, because it wasn't easy for me. So the next thing we're gonna do is a crossover. And all that means is instead of dribbling up and down, you're just moving right to left, or left to right. So instead of dribbling like this, all you do is just try to bounce it to your other hand. So bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay guys? So take your ball in the hand you want to dribble with, bounce it, and think to yourself, bounce, and bounce in the middle of the ground to your other hand. So it's like this. Bounce, 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 bounce. That's a crossover, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video on dribbling, and keep up the good work.